To access the site. To access the site.
Yeah, asphalt road is there, but it's not only
Not compacted one.
Okay. The asphalt road is there.
And this is approved by the company, right? Okay. And what is the nearest facility?
Inside there is no roads. Asphalt.
That's okay. That's okay. But your truck and tanker and your employees would have the access to go to the site. Very good. And what is the nearest facility? Can you zoom in, Bimal? I'm able to see there are some facilities here, some facilities here.
Plant, the whole waste. And nearest facility is there is a waste plant.
Okay.
Is like 5 kilometers away.
5 kilometers. Okay, that means can we say that this your proposed site, the nearest hydrocarbon facility is not less than 2 kilometers?
No. Next to it, across the road.
Which one?
So left hand side is the hydrocarbon refinery.
This one or this one?
Yeah.
This
One.
in some levels, yes, there's a pipelines close.
So, I mean, tentatively, I mean, why I want to ask this question? I mean, the question is very straight. If something goes wrong in this pipeline or piping, whether my employee is going to be impacted. So I want to know that what is the nearest hydrocarbon facility, either operating facility or pipeline.
Yeah, it is very around next to the road, I think.
Maybe 100 meter, 200 meter.
200 meters.
The underground pipeline. Underground pipeline. Okay.
And not underground, there is pipeline and plant is
there. Okay. So that means this could be one of the cause.
Yes.
Because I must highlight that when your people are working, and how many people are going to work at one point of time in the peak time? Maximum number of people.
Now, mainly the work people, they are at site, they won't be more than 50, 60 people, but mainly we do have a huge number from transportation. So trailers are coming and going out, So we have an employee so far today, it's under the project for money.
Total project employees 242.
No.
Okay. So 242 is a complete strength.
Complete, yes.
At one point of time, what is the maximum peak load? Maybe 100.
50, you are reaching more than 50? 60?
Yeah, 50.
So you do POB, I'm a personal report, you record somewhere, POB. So maximum POB is
What's the
50.
maximum POB?
Total manpower.
That's right.
At one time.
In worst case scenario. See, why I'm asking this question? Because if something goes wrong from the nearby facility, some guys may travel here. That I do not know, even you do not know. We will put on recommendation to review the existing QRA. If in case of worst case scenario, whether the vapor cloud from the existing plant can travel here, and this cloud can impact the construction people. Now people will ask you, there is 1 people or 100 people. So we want to know that what is the maximum number of people.
Forget about training. How many manpowers available there?
Only the below 50.
Below.
Okay, let us consider 50.
Consider 50. Now, the trailer drivers, it depends. So at least
They come and go.
because they're coming in a very big queue until waiting for the CISPA. So you might see like 20 or 30 trailers at the same time entering one by one to backfill. But after that, rush in the traffic, you will not see more than 5, 6, 7 trailers just at the same time.
No problem. Okay, so guys, we are concluding here. I mean, this shaded part is the proposed location, and the nearest facility, operating facility or hydrocarbon facility is around 200 meters away.
I doubt, sir. This is across the road. What is the left hand side? Is your Google Map something?
Do you have Google?
Map something because
Google Earth will be able to.
But on the extreme edge, we have issues.
Or Najibuddin or somebody can tell our team.
Google Map is there.
Google Earth you can put.
Google Map.
كيف حضرتك؟ بدك فيه طيب وخلي ابو عمر اذا كان بسرعه التيم بس عشان موضوع الانترودكشن ماشي بس يعني فتش
Or you can put Royce is a big one. So this is the site, huh?
Yeah.
This is the tank farm. So I think just across the road, right?
Yeah, it look like the crude oil.
So that means this is the not more than 100 meter, right?
Across the road it is. We only
It's
got
not,
to-
This
it is not road, it is a pipeline.
Okay, this is pipeline corridor, right?
Yeah.
So here, I mean, Bimal, this is a pipeline corridor. So don't go here. If you check the pipeline to here, are you getting me?
Is that the buried pipeline? That's the thing. What is this pipeline? Is buried or open?
No, this is the dark line here, the cross line here, it is pipeline. It is pipe rack.
This pipe rack?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That one is pipeline.
Okay, above the
Pipe rack.
ground, right? Of course, above the
It's
ground.
above the ground.
And the left side, this tank, this is crude oil or this is stabilized crude or this is some processed hydrocarbon?
It is
Naphtha or,
it's floating, so it is definitely crude or naphtha.
yeah. So naphtha is very dangerous.
Pricing liquid only.
Okay. So I will put one recommendation, review the existing QRA of the,
Shared all the.
we'll put an action on and they will do it. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. So guys, the good point is now we know the location and we know what are the hazard nearby available, which